Hey guys, welcome back to Technologic. In this quick video, we'll be taking a look at the Logitech G502 Hero gaming mouse. Is it worth it in 2022? Continue watching to find out. Let's go. First, let's take a look at the specs and performance of the mouse. It has a Hero sensor at the bottom and it is known to be quite good and is popular among gamers. With a polling rate of 1000 Hz and a DPI range from 100 all the way to 16,000, it's a well-rounded sensor which is still up to date in 2022. The tracking is accurate and the mouse movements are smooth. There is an RGB DPI indicator and an RGB Logitech logo on the back of the mouse, and these can be controlled via the Logitech app. Speaking of the Logitech app, this app has lots of features and you can control minute details on the mouse. Next, let's look at the buttons on the mouse. As you can tell already, there's lots of buttons here. To be exact, there are 11 customizable buttons on this mouse. These buttons feel great to click, but I don't see the point of so many buttons, and some of them are definitely harder to reach than others. However, having these options are nice. Speaking of reachability, this mouse is huge. It might look small in my hands, but that's just because my hands are huge. So if you have smaller hands, this mouse will be too big for you. So I'll definitely recommend you go to a physical store and check out the mouse before buying it. Next up, we have the scroll wheel. As you might know, the G502 Hero has the famous infinite scroll wheel. While it does have some useful functions such as bunny hopping in games, it is quite niche. It can be toggled between the free scroll and the normal scroll too using this button. The infinite scroll is very satisfying and I found myself toggling to it just so that I can play with it. Finally, let's take a look at the build quality of the mouse. While the entire mouse is made of plastic, it is a relatively high quality plastic and feels smooth to the touch. There are side grips with the texture on the sides, which I like too. The weight of the mouse is quite high, coming in at over 250 grams, but I got used to it easily. You can even make it heavier by adding on these weights that come with the mouse. The rubber feet on the bottom of the mouse are smooth too and glide along the mousepad easily. Overall, the Logitech G502 Hero is a large and comfortable mouse with lots of features built in for gaming. For a price of about 70 Singapore dollars for a brand new one, or even the occasional flash sale of around 50 Singapore dollars, I would say it is a great value mouse and I recommend it. If you want a lighter mouse which is also wireless, there is also a much more expensive but similar G502 Lightspeed wireless. I will link these in the description below and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews like this and comment down below if you have any questions. Bye!